You came without noise, like all the real things do. No promises of heaven, no perfect view. I was made of winters, of learning not to stay. And the way you looked at me showed me another way. You never asked me to stay, you never tried to persuade. You just opened the moment and let me feel safe. Then right then, my fear began to slow. Everything made sense when I heard your heart beat low. It wasn't luck or fate, it was choosing without defense. Staying where love doesn't need evidence. You carry peace in simple things, light in what's unseen. You make a home of my doubts without telling me what to believe. If life loses direction, if the road gets hard to stand, I'll return to your silence, like a place I understand. Don't speak to me of promises, don't swear eternity. I'll take this living moment that refuses to flee. 'Cause love doesn't always shout, sometimes it learns to stay. And in the way you remain, I learned what love can say. And it happens again, my chaos loses control. Time slows down when I hear your soul. It's not destiny or reason, it's choosing with no defense, falling quietly in love with your presence. If tomorrow's unclear and there's no map in sight, let this moment be enough to tell me I'm alright. Because if love is real, it doesn't need a sign. Just someone who stays when the music fades with time.